In this video, you'll learn how to connect Blogger to Cloudflare using a custom domain step by step. By the end, your Blogger site will be using your own domain name while still benefiting from Cloudflare's DNS management and performance features. Let's start inside your Blogger dashboard. From the main menu, look for the settings section. Once you're in settings, scroll until you find the publishing area. This is where Blogger lets you configure your blog's address and any custom domains you want to use. Under publishing, you'll see an option labeled custom domain. Click on that. In the field that appears, you'll enter the domain you want to use for your Blogger site. Make sure you include the www at the beginning. For example, type something like www.yourdomain.com rather than just yourdomain.com. When you're done, click Save. At this point, Blogger will check the domain and in most cases show you an error message. Don't worry, this is expected and it's actually a useful part of the process. The error message will contain two CNAME records that you need to add to your DNS settings in Cloudflare. The first CNAME record is straightforward. The name or host will be www and the destination or target will be ghs.google.com. This is the standard address that tells the internet your www subdomain is handled by Google's Blogger service. The second CNAME record is a unique security code generated specifically for your blog and your domain. It will look a bit random. For example, the name might be something like a random looking string, and the destination will point to a similar looking address ending in googlehosted.com. This record is how Blogger verifies that you actually own the domain you're trying to connect. Take a moment to carefully copy both of these CNAME values. It's important that you don't change them or shorten them. They need to be entered exactly as Blogger shows them. Now, switch over to your Cloudflare dashboard in a new tab. Make sure you've already added your domain to Cloudflare and that it's active there. In Cloudflare, go to the DNS section for your domain. This is where you manage all the DNS records that tell the internet how to reach your site. In the DNS area, you'll add the two CNAME records you just copied from Blogger. For the first one, set the type to sname, the name or host to www, and the target to ghsgoogle.com. For the second one, again choose CNAME, then paste the exact unique name and destination shown in your Blogger error message. When creating these records in Cloudflare, you can usually leave most of the advanced options at their defaults. Just make sure the name and target fields match the Blogger values exactly. If there's an option to toggle proxy status, you may want to start with the default setting Cloudflare suggests and adjust later if needed. After adding both CNAME records in Cloudflare, return to your Blogger dashboard, go back to settings, then publishing, and once again, enter your custom domain with www at the beginning. Click Save. It may take a little time for the DNS changes to update across the internet, so if it doesn't work immediately, wait a few minutes and try saving again. Once Blogger accepts your domain without showing an error, your blog is successfully connected through Cloudflare using your custom domain.